Penguins.
Penguins, fabulous. Why do you like penguins?
Because they're really cute.
Because they're really cute. Why are they cute? Is it because they are black and white with bits of gold, or because they kind of waddle around on the ice? Or
Waddle around.
They waddle around. I do like penguins waddling. Would you like a penguin living in your house?
Yeah.
I quite like a penguin living in my house as well. They do like the cold though. Do you like a cold house? You do? Okay, yes.
Birds. All of them. The cats are my favourite because they're nice and fluffy.
I got a pet cat and a pet snake. I would say a red panda, a silverback gorilla, and also a snake. A corn snake, like the snake I have, and a fish because I think they're all elegant in their own ways. Because they all come in different sizes, shapes, and in unique colours. Basically, global warming is like how the sun is generating too much energy because it's obviously a star, and that it's melting all the ice because of how much energy it has, and they have like acid rain as well, so that also like impacts the ground and everything.
The earth changing. It's getting hotter.
Flooding, maybe?
Yeah, ice is melting and then
It goes into the sea,
yeah,
then it rises.
sea level.
Yeah.
Yeah, and because it's hotter, the water evaporates and creates more clouds, which creates more rain.
And then, so in a long time, this land might be flooded.
Or really hot.
Yeah.
Depends what it is.
In the Arctic Circle, for all the ice is gonna melt, and all the polar bears and like Arctic foxes will be very endangered.
Make sure all the animals don't get killed and make sure no one's cutting down the trees.
At school, we have a lot of litter pickers. We pick up a lot of litter, so we would just do it.
Do recycling, plastic, cans, cardboard.
If I see anything around and I have a bag in my pocket, what I do with the bag is pick up litter and put it in the bag, and then after I get home I wash my hands.
It's like picking up rubbish on a playground, even those unnecessary rubbish we see. They usually drop wrappers or rotten bananas I usually see there, or orange skins.
We always recycle at home for the animals. Plastics and like paper and glass.
To me, it makes us have a break from doing all the chores at home and make us have friends. They also care about us so that they can keep us safe.
Gives me freedom and takes away stress.
I like it when I have a break helping my family, and I like it when I have fun over here, especially when I make more friends.
You have fun with friends because you have fun activities.
You get time away.
You get to be free.
I can just tell my besties at school, like, hey bestie, I got some news for you. I'm gonna be in a museum. And which museum is it? Is this
North Herts in Brand Street next to B&M Park.
In Hitchin.
Oh, so not that far away.
Yeah, only down the road.